Imagine a cosmic visitor from another star system making a fleeting appearance in our neighborhood, and the excitement it generates among scientists and space enthusiasts alike. The European Space Agency, ESA, is gearing up for just such an event with the arrival of the Interstellar Comet 3I Atlas, which will pass by Mars in about a month's time. This rare celestial event offers a unique opportunity to study an object that originated outside our solar system. And the best part? It might be observed from one of the most advantageous positions in the solar system, Mars. On July 1, 2025, astronomers made a groundbreaking discovery. An interstellar object had entered our solar system. This object, now known as Comet 3I Atlas, marks the third interstellar visitor ever detected, hence the designation 3I. Its official name, C2025N1 Atlas, reflects the date and method of its discovery. But here's where it gets controversial. Some scientists argue that the study of interstellar objects like 3I Atlas could revolutionize our understanding of the universe, while others caution against overhyping the findings. Interestingly, the best views of 3I Atlas might not come from Earth, but from Mars. The comet will pass within about 18.6 million miles, 30 million kilometers of Mars, much closer than its 168 million miles, 270 million kilometers distance from Earth. This proximity means that spacecraft orbiting Mars are in a prime position to capture detailed observations. Colin Frank Wilson, the project scientist for ESA's Mars orbiters, confirmed that the agency is actively preparing to observe 3I Atlas as it passes by Mars. "We are planning to observe 3I Atlas around the time of its closest approach to Mars, which is expected on October 3, 2025, Wilson stated. At that point, the comet will still be about 30 million kilometers away from Mars. ESA plans to use two of its Mars orbiters, Mars Express and the ExoMars Trace Gas Orbiter, TGO, to gather data. We will attempt to capture images of the comet using the high-resolution stereo camera, HRSC, on Mars Express and the color and stereo surface imaging system, CASIS, on TGO, Wilson explained. These cameras could provide insights into the comet's shape and structure, potentially revealing whether it is elongated, spherical, or irregularly shaped, similar to previous interstellar visitors like 1I, Oumuamua, and 2I, Borisov. In addition to imaging, the orbiters will try to analyze the comet's composition and activity. We will also attempt to measure the spectrum of the comet using the NOMAD and MX's Omega and SPICAM spectrometers on TGO, Wilson added. These instruments could detect molecular signatures such as water vapor or organic compounds in the comet's coma, though the team acknowledges that the signal might be too weak for detailed spectral analysis. Other spacecraft around Mars, including NASA's MAVEN and Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, MRO, as well as China's Tianwen-1, could also contribute to the observations. We're coordinating with multiple agencies to maximize the scientific return from this unique event, Wilson noted. Even spacecraft beyond Mars might get a chance to observe 3I Atlas. For instance, ESA's Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer, JUICE, currently en route to Jupiter, plans to make observations in November 2025, despite thermal constraints. 4 instruments on JUICE will be used to study the comet during this period, Jorn Helbert, head of ESA's Solar System Section, told Space.com. Further afield, missions like NASA's Europa Clipper, Hera, and even the distant Lucy probe might encounter 3I Atlas's cometary tail after its closest approach to the Sun. A recent paper by T. Marshall Eubanks et al. Discusses the potential for these spacecraft to gather additional data. Closer to home, NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, has already turned its powerful instruments toward 3I Atlas, yielding intriguing preliminary results. The JWST observations are providing us with a wealth of data that will help us better understand this interstellar visitor, Wilson said. And this is the part most people miss. The collaboration and coordination among international space agencies highlight the global nature of space exploration. As we continue to study 3I Atlas and other interstellar objects, the scientific community is more interconnected than ever. What do you think? Is the study of interstellar comets like 3I Atlas worth the hype, or should we remain cautious? Share your thoughts in the comments below.